This has got to be one of my favorite props so far. G'day everyone, welcome to another video by myself, Andrew DFT. Now yes, this video is about the Star Wars DC-15 Clone Trooper rifle. Now this has been a very fantastic build for me. I've absolutely loved this design ever since it first made its appearance in Attack of the Clones, and actually 8 years ago I made one and I produced the video and I put it out. It seems so weird that it was 8 years ago, but it was this one on screen. It was full construction out of styrofoam, so it was rather fragile. I've taken a different approach for this one with better materials, but back then it was still pretty cool, and it managed to get 400,000 views, which is still surprising to me today. It still stands as one of my most viewed videos on my channel, which is rather interesting, but I don't blame you because it is a fantastic design, a fantastic gun, and hopefully you guys enjoy what I'm about to show you. So this is my final result. I'm extremely happy with how this turned out, and I definitely took a different stylistic approach to it, only because I couldn't really master the realistic look out of paint on foam and PVC. I then decided to go with a more traditional style that I've been going for lately, which is the cartoonish appearance, and for me, I personally think it looks great regardless. It really just helps pop some of the angles and make it stand out a bit more intensely. So, like I mentioned, it's been 8 years since I last built this gun, and back then I only built stuff out of styrofoam, so therefore it was rather fragile. This time around, I've gone with a styrofoam approach still, but the main inner spine, I guess you could say, of this gun is PVC piping. 2 different layers of PVC piping to give it that thickness, and the pipe runs all the way from the tip of the barrel and about 3/4 of the way through the foam here. So right now this holds quite durable. The only thing that I guess would be fragile is the buttstock at the end. This thing can snap, but I've got a small little dowel wooden rod going through about that much of the actual butt and the gun, so therefore it is pretty sturdy. This is definitely one of the strongest props that I've got, considering most of the ones behind me have all been made 100% out of styrofoam. But they look good, so that's all that matters. So if I was to give it a difficulty, I would give it a 7 out of 10. It just sits over the medium range, but for someone who's had experience with PVC pipes and styrofoam or EVA foam, you'll be able to get this no problem. Now with that in mind, I actually built this with the intent to build a tutorial from it. I wanted to make sure that I could build this first to know the ins and outs of how to go about constructing it to make it easier for you guys to do. And that being said, it is a large build, and to replicate this for a tutorial will take a lot of time and effort on my part. So if you guys are interested in a tutorial, if this video gets, say, 500 likes, I think that's pretty reasonable. That means 500 people are genuinely interested to want to build this tutorial and have general interest in it. If it reaches 500 likes, then I'll go forward with a full tutorial in styrofoam, but I will give pointers on how to apply this to EVA foam because it's relatively easy to transfer the skill set into that. So 500 likes and I'll go ahead and make a tutorial for you guys because I don't want you to miss out, but at the same time, if only 20 people are actually interested in it, there's no point in me going out and spending all the time building a tutorial for only 20 people. No offense, 20 people. But that being said, I'll let you guys who are more interested to get started go ahead right now with the templates in the description box below in PDF form, same size, ready to go, get started. But that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to get this video out to showcase it, let you know it is there, so if you are interested, you can grab the templates and get started. But if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, and until the next one, I'll catch you later.